All right, I've got a Quansheng K5. Everybody knows what those are. We're going to take the antenna off and do a destructive test on the antenna. So I think a lot of people will be interested to see what's inside of a rubber duck. Now this particular antenna is labeled U/V, okay, UHF VHF antenna, model A8, okay, and there's a little decal in the center there that says FM 136 to 174 and 440 to 480. Okay, let's write those down and then test it before we rip it apart. Okay, so these are megahertz. It's supposed to operate from 136 to 174 and 400 to 480. And let's get out a nano VNA and we'll test it. All right, so I have it connect. I guess I've calibrated, and I have it connected to the VNA, and I'm going to show one sweep here from 400 to 480, and you can take a look at the return loss. And then I'll do another sweep here from 136 to 174. Take a look at the return loss. All right, you can see that it does something. Up to you to say whether it passes those numbers that it says it is, but it does do something in those bands, and it's not the best antenna, but hey, it's a rubber duck, so yeah, none of them are any good at that. So let's go ahead and open this thing up and see what's inside. All right, so we saw the results of the antenna. Let's take a look at the insides of the antenna. So I think you can tell from an antenna this shape, there's probably something going on down here. So if you pull out the insides of a duck, you get this spring. There's nothing for the spring. And it does not act as an inductor, it's just a conductor. And there is some stuff here going on at the end though. Here's the little connector at the end, and there is some L's and some C's down there. So let me change the lens so we can take a little bit better look at this thing. There we go. We can see better. There's definitely an inductor, and that connects from the whip, the actual spring on the end. So here's the center, and that inductor wraps around this thing and goes all the way around and goes to the outside. Does it go to the inside? All right, so this is what I think is going on. We have our center radiator. We have about 4 loose turns to an LC circuit here. I measure about 8.7 picofarads, and there's about 6 turns here on about a 6 millimeter or so diameter, and then it goes to the connector. So that's what's inside. That's what's inside a rubber duck.